Hi everyone! Today we're going to do an activity with our letters. I'm going to use a piece of paper, any paper you can have, and a marker. I would suggest using a pencil in case you make a mistake, and that's okay. But I have a marker so you can see better. So today we're going to write some words and I'm going to sound them out, we're going to read them together, and then I'm going to have a challenge for you at the end. Okay, ready? Get your pencil ready. Have your paper ready. Show me you're ready like this, just like we do in school. Okay, ready? The first word we're going to write. I'm going to sound it out. I'm not going to show you, and then I'm going to show you after the second time. Okay, the first word, corn. Ready? The first letter, karate chop C, write it. Or. O-R, loves popcorn. Or. Last letter, yoga N. Okay, I'm going to sound it out one more time and then I'm going to show you. Or, O-R, loves popcorn. Let's see. Now, my paper looks backwards because I'm making a video, but you can know the letters. So the first one is karate chop C, or O-R, Now try your best next to the word to make a picture of corn. Just a real quick sketch. Here's mine. I can color it later. Corn. Okay, we're going to go to the next word. Ready? The next word is fort. The first letter is F, angry F. Or O-R. Oh wait, oops. Fort. Or T. Miss T loves drum. T. I'm going to sound it out again. Ready? Or T. Fort. Let's show you. Angry F. Or T. Fort. A fort is kind of like a tent. So let's draw a little tent, just like this. Fort. Okay, the next word, we're going to make one more on this side. Horn. Ready? Hush H. Or. O-R. Last letter. Yoga N. One more time. Hush H. Or. O-R. Horn. Or. Horn. I'm going to try my best to make a horn. And I'm going to make some music notes to represent some music is coming out of it. I tried my best. Now you're going to try your best. Horn. Okay, so we made some words with the or sound. Now I'm going to go over to this side of my paper and we're going to make words with the R sound. A-R. Star R. The first word we're going to make is park. The first letter, P. Peter the Penguin. P. Next letters, R. A-R. Last letter in this word, K. Kangaroo K. So we have P. R. A-R. K. Let's see it. R, remember we make our little shine to make R. Park. Now I'm going to draw a swing to represent the park and one little tree. park. Okay, the next word we're going to make is dark. Ready? The first letter, D. D, the dog. I'm going to make an uppercase D. D. R, A, R. Last letter, K. Kangaroo, K. Okay, ready? First letter, D. D, the dog. R, A, R. Last letter, D, R, K. Dark. I'm going to represent dark with a picture of the moon. It's dark outside. Okay, the last word we're going to make with the R sound today is bark. I want you to make an uppercase B for B, baby B. B, uppercase, R, A, R. B, R, K, bark. One more time. B, baby B. Make an uppercase. R, A, R. K. B, R, K, bark. Bark can mean two different things, like a tree bark, the brown part, or a dog goes woof woof, bark. So I'm going to draw the dog. Trying my best, as always. And here's my little dog going bark, woof woof. Okay, so here's my challenge. We have all of our words, and there's 6 words all together. I want you to make a sentence with each word, and then of course, I need you to have details in your sentences. So let me make some sentences with these words. So corn. I get yellow, fresh corn at the shop. So my adjectives were yellow and fresh. So that adjectives, remember, they make our sentences really stretched out and add great detail. And then fort. I make a fort outside. It is green. So green would describe my fort. And then horn. The horn is loud. Let me see your sentences once you're done. Bye.